Alright, so I have this master key here, and it has the red line, so right now it's at 0 to open it up. So once you open it up, or whatever the combination is, just out of the box is 0 if you want to reset it. So there is a little hole in there, so you gotta move it from when you open it up. It's like that, so you gotta move it 90 degrees this way and then press it inside like that. Once it's there, you reset to whatever the number you need to. So in my case, I'll do 0, 1, 2, let's say. Okay. So 0, 1, 2. Scramble it. It's closed. Let's put it 0, 1, 2, and it opens it up. Hopefully that helps. Again, once you open it up, you put it 90 degrees to this hole right here, slide it in, reset to the combo you need. Let's make it 402, for example. Let's open it up, close it. 402. Boom, boom, boom. Change it up. It's closed. Let's finish it up. 402, and it opens up. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.